Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily customize the background of your chat on Instagram. So select the messenger bit here, and then you're just going to select any chat. I'm just going to select this one. Then you're going to basically select the name, and then select the theme here. So it's on default right now, but they have a few options you can choose from here. And I want to use let's say the Valentine's Day one. I'm just going to select it, and then when I go back, as you can see, this will be the chat theme now, but they will be able to see that you have changed the theme in their chat, so keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!